Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing and coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of black. And first we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And K for kite. L for lemon. Kids, subscribe to our channel. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, subscribe to our channel. O for octopus. P for penguin. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw and coloring Q. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snack. The next one is T. The alphabet of T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W. W for watch. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. And Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.